Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Sukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 12 Statistics, Chapter number 2, Exercise 2.3, Question 5. This exercise is related to the Spearman rank correlation method. In this exercise we had already studied about the question 1, question 3, which is related to Spearman rank correlation. Now today we will study about question 5. So let us first of all read the question which is given in the textbook. See, this is the question 5 which is given in the textbook. From the following information of heights of husband and wife, calculate the rank correlation coefficient between their heights. Means we have to find the rank between the heights of husband and wife. So here the two column which is given in the question, height of husband and height of wife. Okay, so let us move towards the sum. Here the two column which is already given in the question. See here, the height of husband X and the height of wife Y. Okay, so from the column X, first of all we will prepare the rank X, that is Rx. Okay, again I am speaking from the column X, we will prepare rank Rx. So as you know very well, the number which is bigger from all these number, that is to be given rank 1. So here observe the column Rx, observe the column X, the biggest number is 191. So here we will give rank 1 for Rx. Okay. Now the number smaller than 191 is 185. So here we will give 2. The number smaller than 185 is 163. So here we will give rank 3. The number smaller than 163 is 162. So here we will give rank 4. The number smaller than 162 is 157. So here we will give rank 5. The number smaller than 157 is 156. So here we will give 6, rank 6. And the number smaller than 156 is 153. So here we will give rank 7. So in this way we will give the rank Rx from the column X. Now we will give the rank Ry from column Y. Okay. So let us give the rank Ry. So let us observe the number which is the biggest number from the column Y. So here the 170 is the biggest one. Okay. So 170 will be given rank 1. Now the number smaller than 170 is 162. But the 162 is getting 2 times repeated. So how to give the rank to 162? So let us study first. Here I am taking, see, 162 is getting 2 times repeated. Okay. And we had given the rank 170 for rank 1. So now here it will come rank number 2 plus, and here it will come rank number 3. Okay. So rank 2 plus rank 3 divided by 2. Okay. So rank 2 plus rank 3 means 5 upon 2. Okay. So 5 divided by 2, so it will come 2.5. So in place of 162, we will write rank 2.5. Okay. So let us see over here. Here in place of 162, I had written 2.5, and here also I had written 2.5. That means the rank first has been given, rank 2 and rank 3 already given. Okay. Again I am speaking. See over here, in column Y, the biggest number is 170. So we had given the rank 1. Now the number smaller than 170 is 162. Means here we will give rank 2, and here we will give rank 3. So here we will write rank 2 plus rank 3 divided by 2. So 2 plus 3, that is 5 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because 2 time getting repeated. Okay. So 5 divided by 2, that means 2.5. So in place of 162, we will write 2.5, 2.5. So now we had already given rank 1, 2 and 3. Now the number smaller than 162 is 157. So here we will give rank 4. Okay. Now the number smaller than 157 is 154. See here. So 154 is also getting 2 time repeating. So we had already given rank 4. So here it will be rank 5 and rank 6. So again I am writing over here 154 is getting 2 time repeating. So here we will give rank 5 plus rank 6 divided by 2. So 5 plus 6 will be 11 upon 2, that is 5.5. Okay. So in place of 154 we will write 5.5. See here over I had already written in place of 154 in column RY 5.5 and here also 154 5.5. That means now we had given already rank up to 6. Okay. Now the number smaller than 154 is 148. So we will give rank 7, that is RY. Okay. So in this way we had prepared the column RX and RY. Okay. Now as you know that now we will prepare for the D1. Okay. So the formula for D is Rx minus Ry. So from Rx minus Ry, 6 minus 5.5, our answer will be 0.5. 7 minus 7 will be 0. 2 minus 2.5. See here the 2 is smaller one and 2.5 is bigger. So from smaller number if we minus bigger number, our answer comes in negative. So in this way we had prepared the column D. Okay. Now from D column we will prepare D square. Means 0.5 square will be 0.25. 0 square will be 0. Negative 0.5 square will be positive 0.25. 1 square will be remain 1. In the same way we had calculate the remaining number. So now we have to total the last column, that is summation D square will be 4. So now let us move towards the formula. See, the formula for rank correlation is, as you know, R is equal to 1 minus 6 summation D square upon n square minus 1. But in this sum, we had seen that in the column Y, the 2 number is getting repeated. So there is a little bit change in the formula. We have to not use this formula when the number is getting repeated in the column. Then we have to use this formula. The formula is 1 minus 6 summation D square plus CF upon n square minus 1. Here the new topic is CF. Okay. So how to find the CF? So here I had find the CF. As you know that first of all we have to write the repeated value. See, in the column Y 162 is repeating. So here I had written 162 and 162 is repeating 2 times. Okay, so here I had written 2 times. That is known as M, small m. Okay. And 154 is also getting 2 times repeated. So here I had written 154 and it is getting repeating 2 times. Okay. Now you have to put this formula m cube minus m upon 12. Okay, this formula is set for the Spearman rank correlation to find CF. Okay, now in place of m, see here it is small m is 2. So 2 cube minus 2 upon 12. So 2 cube will be 8 minus 2 upon 12. 8 minus 2 means 6 upon 12, and when you divide 6 upon 12, your answer will be 0.5. In the same way, the formula will remain same. Here our m is also 2. So again 2 cube minus 2 upon 12. Again 8 minus 2 upon 12, that is 6 upon 12. And when you divide 6 upon 12, that is 0.5. Now you have to add 0.5 plus 0.5. So our CF will be 1. Okay. So now we will put the formula, that is, see over here, the new formula for Spearman rank correlation when the number is getting repeating. Okay. 1 minus 6 summation d square plus CF upon n square minus 1. Now 1 minus 6 summation d square is, here we had already find in the sum, our summation d square is 4. So here I had put the 4 plus our CF is 1. See here we had find the CF 1. Okay. So here we will put 1 upon n. N means the number of heights which is given in the question. See over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 heights has been given. So here the n will be 7 n square minus 1. So 7 square minus 1. So here I had put the number in the formula. Now let us calculate the sum. 1 minus 6, 4 plus 1 will be 5 upon 7 will remain as it is in this step. 7 square will be 49 minus 1. Next step, 1 minus 6 5s are 30 upon 7 will remain as it is, and 49 minus 1 will be 48. Okay. Next step, 1 minus 30 will remain as it is. 7 multiplied by 48 means 336. Next step, 1 minus, if we will divide 30 upon 336 on the calculator, our answer will be 0.09. Now the last step, 1 minus 0.09, our answer will be 0.91. So here we have to write, hence the rank correlation coefficient between the heights of husband and wife is 0.91. So in this way, we had calculate the sum 5 in exercise 2.3 chapter number 2, which is related to Spearman rank correlation method. The main thing is, when the number is getting repeated, we have to calculate, which I had explained in the sum like this. Okay. Thank you so much. Please share my channel, that is MS Sukani Private Tuition, on YouTube, and also share to others so that they can be helpful from this video. Thank you.